All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Barber CVO in the building. I'm here doing a product review on my new battery that I just bought for my motorcycle. Check it out, people. This one has 500 cold cranking amps. So it tells you right there. The normal stock one for Harley, it comes 400. So the reason why I got this battery is because I have a lot of LEDs on my bike in the front, all around, and it's been flickering a little bit when I have my system like full blown. So I looked around the web, and I came across this one. This is plenty enough for it could actually keep working. So if any of you baggers out there are having a problem with your having LED lights, go to this website. Hold on, I'm trying to lift it up. Go to this website, batterymart.com. Let's see. There you go. And this is actually a really good battery. It's pretty heavy, but it will do its work because the one that Harley has, like I said, has 400 CCA, and this one has 500. And this is more than enough so it could get going. And it's made, let me see the paper, what it says. So the paper, it says AGM maintenance free power sport battery. So technically you really don't have to do any maintenance to it. It's just the battery. But like I said, if you're having problems and you have LEDs and your thing is not strong enough, there's a lot of batteries out there that are very, very expensive. 300, 400, 500, up to $700 I saw. But this one, $179 plus tax, came out to like $191 or something like that. So check it out. Little small video, Battery Mart. Go on their website, buy it, and put it on your Harley. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Give this video a thumbs up. Till the next video.